Oh, hello, it's Cheryl Douglas of Femmessence here, and I'd love to welcome you to the first of 4 very short videos I've created to help support you in your journey as a woman entrepreneur, in particular if you're a mompreneur. And the very first topic we're going to jump straight in with is problem solving. Why problem solving, you ask? Well, for me, there are 2 reasons that make this topic the very first one to present. It makes it very interesting for me. That's because 1, as women, we can be brilliant problem solvers. And 2, in order to become a truly successful, holistically successful entrepreneur, we have to become brilliant problem solvers. Let's look at the first one, the fact that we are indeed brilliant problem solvers as women. Think back to a time when a friend or loved one would have come to you with a problem or pressing concern that they had. And I'm sure it would have happened. Remember how you were able to apply so much objectivity and clarity, focus, attention, guidance, encouragement, all those things to that individual in that moment of need. I am willing to bet that, over the passage of time, that application inspired and encouraged that person to move into a solution that may have even exceeded their expectation, a solution they may not have been able to arrive at on their own, which is okay, because we all need people to support us, to help move us along in our journey. Now, let's look at the fact that in order to become holistically successful, we also need to become brilliant problem solvers. And for me, when I think about that, I'm always taken back to the truly successful people that we know, be it either personally or through the media. And what I note is that each and every one of them has a story, and it is often a story of struggle, which they share very openly. And I really am inspired every time I hear those stories, because what it highlights for me is that no one becomes an overnight success. No one goes to bed starving, hungry, dejected, fed up, broken, and wake up the next morning a gleaming, successful entrepreneur. It's a journey. It takes work. It takes persistence. It takes brilliant problem solving to overcome one obstacle after another. And just as you overcome one obstacle, that one prepares you for the other obstacles to come. So when next you're faced with a problem, or you may even be facing a problem at this moment in time, think back to how you've been handling that particular situation. Are you asking yourself questions like, why me? Why now? Why do these things always happen to me? Is that your approach? Because if it is, you're probably going to get more of the same, very likely. My encouragement to you is to turn that around. Once we start approaching the problems we're confronted with from a solution-oriented place, they shift. When we start asking questions like, what is this problem here to teach me? What can I learn from this problem? Where in this problem is there a solution? Where else can I look where I've not looked before for a solution? Who are the people? What are the resources that I can draw in to help me beyond this point? Once we start directing questions like those into our thinking, we then clear the clutter, clear the noise that comes with the constant focus on the problem. And only then are we able to usher in questions and answers, solutions. We're looking for solutions that serve us. Thank you for listening, and I really do hope that this serves you.